4 класс, английский язык. Звездный английский. Домашнее задание. Урок 19, часть 2. Страница 48, 49, 50, 51. English Starlight for homework. Lesson number 19, part number 2, page number 48, 49, 50, 51. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. You look marvelous. You haven't changed a bit. Neither have you. Neither have you. You look marvelous. So do you. You look wonderful. So do you. You look terrific. So do you. You haven't changed a bit. Neither have you. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 48. Exercise number 1. Listen and read the dialogue. Послушай и прочитай диалог. There's the castle. Wow. Kings and queens lived here a long time ago. They lived like film stars. They dressed in expensive clothes. They listened to music and danced all night. The knights dressed in suit of armor. Hello. Harry, what happened? It kicked me. No, it didn't. Quick, let's pick it up. Be careful. That knight moved and talked. What's wrong? Did the knight talk? Sorry. I didn't want to scare you. I wanted to be a knight for a day. Oh, Elvin. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Read the dialogue again and complete the sentences. Прочитай заново диалог и закончи предложение. The answer: lived, dressed, listened, danced, wanted. Kings and queens lived like film stars. They dressed in expensive clothes. Listened to music and danced all night. Elwin wanted to be a knight for a day. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 50. Exercise number 1. Listen, point and repeat. Послушай, покажи и повтори. Travel, machine, fence. God, fight, motorbike. Repeat once more, please. Travel, machine, fence. God, fight, motorbike. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Sing along. Спой сам. Life was so fine. You know, hundreds of years ago, I wish there was a way to be a knight for just one day. They lived in big castles. They danced with the queen. They traveled on horses and looked like machines. They fenced in the morning. They played chess at night. They guarded the castle and learned how to fight. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. Find the mistakes in the pictures, then talk with your friend. Найди ошибки на картинке, затем поговори со своим другом. Did the knights live in big castles? Yes, they did. Did they play baseball? No, they didn't. Рыцари жили в больших замках? Да. Они играли в бейсбол? Нет. Did they listen to music? No, they didn't. Did they dance? Yes, they did. Did they watch TV? No, they didn't. Did they ride a motorbike? No, they didn't. Did they ride a horse? Yes, they did. Did they guard the castle? Yes, they did. Did they play chess? Yes, they did. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 51. Exercise number 4. Read and complete the letter. Прочитай и закончи письмо. The answer: castle, traveled, bus. Played, music, looked. Clothes, watched. Nights, stopped. Dear Aunt Sarah, here are some photos of the castle we visited last Friday. It was great. We all traveled on the school bus. It was a long journey, but we all played games and listened to music. It was great fun. At the castle, we looked at some paintings and some clothes. They were really cool. Then we watched a film about knights. We liked it a lot. On the way home, we stopped at a big cafe. We played on the game machines. It was a fantastic day. I hope you like the photos. Love and kisses, Tina. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 5. How was your weekend? Tell the class. Как прошел твой выходной? Расскажи классу. The answer: it was a sunny day on Saturday, so I went to the park with my friend in the morning. There, we played hide and seek and catch up. Then I visited my uncle. There I ate a delicious pizza with meat and vegetables. In the evening I watched TV a little, then played chess with my dad and read an interesting book about knights. On Sunday, I and my parents went to the aqua park. There were a lot of water slides, and I tried them all. It was cool. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 6. Write about what you did last weekend. Use your ideas from exercise number 5. Напиши, как ты провел выходные. Используй свои идеи из 5-го упражнения. The answer: this weekend, I and my parents visited my grandparents in the village. It was great. We traveled there on train. It was a long journey, but we had a lot of fun there. We played board games and watched a film. In the village, we played snowballs and made a snowman in the morning. In the afternoon, my granddad took us to the zoo. There were a lot of animals, wolves and foxes, bears and lions, monkeys and parrots. On the way home, we stopped at a cafe. There were a lot of people in suits of armor and beautiful ladies. They danced together. We liked them a lot. It was a wonderful day. Fun time. Read the proverb. What does it mean? Is there a proverb like this in your language? The pen is stronger than the sword. Время веселиться. Прочитай пословицу, что она означает. В твоем языке существует такая пословица? Ручка перо сильнее меча. It means the words have more influence on people than a force. Она означает, что слова имеют большее влияние на людей, чем сила. In Russian, we have a proverb like this. Что написано пером, то не вырубишь топором. Did you know? Men trained for about 14 years before becoming knights. The answer. Мужчины тренировались около 14 лет перед тем, как стать рыцарями. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.